Alright, so in this video we're going to be doing a bumper removal on a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. So we'll just go ahead and work through this. On the driver and passenger side you have these little plastic tabs. You're going to want to use a flat tip screwdriver or a tab removal tool like I have here to pop those off. You just need to get a couple of these off here on the bottom there, one there, and then you got a 10mm bolt that you want to get out. In the front undercarriage area, you've got 4 of these same little pop-out little plastic tabs. You want to get those removed. And you can just let that cover piece just kind of fall down. It'll just kind of rest down there. And then you can see here this side piece, just little tabs that kind of push into horizontal slots. And you've got some rounded tabs as well up a little higher that push into little slots there. You don't have to take this whole piece off, just crack it. But like what you see in the picture on both sides, they come up fairly easy. And then you've got if you've got the fog lights, turn your wheels to the respective side to get access back in there. You just have a little electrical connection. You just kind of pinch and pull out. Driver's side there. You come on the passenger side, same thing. Get that wheel turned in there. And you get back up in there. That pulled off. And then basically it's just a matter of just very gently, the bumper basically just kind of snaps in place. And you'll see here I actually do run into something. I wanted to leave that in there for transparency's sake. You just kind of just slowly work it out here. I'm using gloves because I didn't want to use any kind of pry material or pry tool that would leave any scratches or be sharp points of contact. Just kind of watch yourself. You might want to put a big sheet or towel or maybe a sheet of cardboard on the ground if you're worried about it kind of slipping out and falling down. But you see here, see that felt on the left side there kind of move as I pull it out. There's actually 2 little tabs, additional tabs lower down there. They just kind of turn 90 degrees and they release that felt wheel well material from the bumper, and then you're able to pull that right off. Just like that. All in all, the job really is not that difficult if you kind of know what you need to get at. Zoom in here. That's what those little tab pieces on either side. Didn't even really see it because you're not even looking there when you're pulling it off. You think everything else is up above there. So yeah, there you go. Quick video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, all the good stuff. Appreciate you watching. Hope this helps somebody out. Have a great day. This is Dutch out.